Welcome to Health Lantern. Today we are discussing hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, made from the dried calyces of the hibiscus flower, offers several potential health benefits backed by scientific research. Here are 10 benefits of drinking hibiscus tea and the science behind them. Lowers blood pressure. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea consumption can lead to a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The tea contains bioactive compounds like anthocyanins and flavonoids, which may help relax blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. Lowers cholesterol levels. Hibiscus tea may positively impact lipid profiles by reducing LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol levels. The antioxidants in hibiscus help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of thickening or hardening of your arteries. Antioxidant-rich. Hibiscus tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly anthocyanins and quercetin. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals, reducing cellular damage and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. The polyphenols in hibiscus possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Weight management. Some research suggests that hibiscus extract can aid in weight management by inhibiting the amylase enzyme, which helps break down carbohydrates. This inhibition may result in reduced absorption of sugars and starches, potentially supporting weight loss efforts. Improves liver health. Studies on animals have indicated that hibiscus extract can help protect the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress and toxins. This prevention of liver damage supports overall liver health. Type 2 diabetes management. Hibiscus tea has been shown to have anti-diabetic properties, helping lower blood sugar levels. It may also improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Enhances digestive health. Hibiscus tea has mild diuretic properties, which may aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. It can also help alleviate constipation and reduce bloating. Supports immune function. The high vitamin C content in hibiscus tea can boost the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Hydration alternative. Hibiscus tea is a refreshing and flavorful alternative to sugary beverages, providing hydration without added sugars or artificial additives. Different ways to drink hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. Here are some ways to prepare it. Hot tea. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy as is or with a touch of honey. Iced tea. Brew the tea as usual, let it cool, and serve over ice. You can add fresh fruits like orange slices or berries for extra flavor. Hibiscus tea lemonade. Mix hibiscus tea with freshly squeezed lemon juice and sweeten with honey or stevia for a refreshing and tangy beverage. Hibiscus herbal blend. Combine hibiscus flowers with other herbs like mint, ginger, or lemongrass to create a custom herbal tea blend. Frequency of consumption. Hibiscus tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day is a common recommendation. However, individual responses may vary, and some people may experience mild stomach discomfort or interact with certain medications. It's always best to start with 1 cup per day and observe how your body responds before increasing the intake. Cautions. Avoid hibiscus tea if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, as its effects on pregnancy have not been fully studied. If you are taking medications, especially antihypertensive drugs or medications for diabetes, consult with your healthcare provider before adding hibiscus tea to your diet to avoid potential interactions. Hibiscus tea may have a mild blood-thinning effect, so individuals on anticoagulant medications should use caution and consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoy some hibiscus tea today. Please hit the like and subscribe for future content. Leave a comment if there is a topic you would like us to cover in more detail. Have a happy day on your journey to better health.